Welcome all. This video is about power transistors. We know that power transistor is one of the important semiconductor device which is used for switching in power converters. It has controlled turn on and turn off characteristics. The switching speed of the transistors is very much higher compared to that of the thyristors, and they are used in most of the DC to DC and DC to AC conversion process. So, these power transistors are usually operated either in saturation region or cutoff region, which results in very low voltage drop. So, we will see how the power transistors are classified. So, power transistors are broadly classified into 5 categories. First one is the BJT, bipolar junction transistor. Second is the metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistors, which is MOSFETs. Third is insulated gate bipolar transistors, which is IGBTs, and static induction transistors, which is SIT, and the last one is CoolMOS. So, we will see in detail each of these power transistors one by one. First, coming to the BJTs. You might have studied BJTs, that is signal transistors. Signal transistors. There are two types, one is NPN transistor and the other one is PNP transistor. The power transistor is slightly different from the normal signal transistor. Why? Because there you have 3 layers alternate, NPN layers or PNP layers. Here in addition to that you have an additional 4th layer which will decide the breakdown voltage. So, you can observe we have a highly doped N region which forms the emitter. We have a moderately doped P layer which forms the base, and there is a lightly doped N region which is the collector drift region, and we have the highly doped N region again which forms the collector. This particular N region, it is called as the drift region, which decides the breakdown voltage of your device. Okay. The characteristics of the device is determined by the doping level in each of these layers and the thickness of these layers. The advantage or the characteristics of power BJT are, it has a large size so that maximum current can flow through it. Second thing is, it can withstand very high voltage. The breakdown voltage is high due to the presence of the low doping N region. It has a higher current carrying capability as well as high power handling capability. It has a higher on state voltage drop and it can be used for high power applications. So, the symbol of power BJT is this is for NPN type. Base is the input, collector the output terminal, and E is the common terminal in the common emitter configuration. This is NPN and PNP is, this is the collector, this is the emitter, and this is the base. Sorry, this should be like this, and here it is this way, and this is it. Okay, this is the PNP transistors. So in the next video we will see the steady state characteristics of transistors. Thank you.